Howdy folks! So today I'm going to do an unbagging. I have my, let me grab the container, my Ipsy from February. It's the end of February. It's almost March. That's totally fine. No big deal, right? So what I'm going to do is show you what I got in there. I did actually unbag one part of it already. That's the brush because a lot of times when you get brushes, if they're big, they pack them separately in the package. So I went ahead and did that. And then I will open the rest of the bag for you. But this brush is a really neat brush. Let's see what brand it is. R&L Moda Pro, and it says it's the BMX 255 Accentuate brush. So I'm willing to bet that that's kind of used for things like contouring, maybe setting the under eye, something like that. Let's see if this actually says anything. The Moda Pro Accentuate brush. Want to glow all winter? Highlighter is the easiest way to do it, and thanks to this fluffy highlighter brush, applying it's never been easier. It's the perfect size for precisely applying highlighter anywhere you want, and the pro quality bristles blend like a dream and won't shed or separate. Tip, this brush is also the perfect size and shape for applying setting powder to your under eyes. So it's full size, the value is $7.99. It's actually really reasonable for a brush. So this, its bristles are quite soft. It has kind of a domed, fluffy kind of texture. It feels like it would be very good for getting a really precise highlight. It feels like it would be very good to like use with setting powder for your under eyes. I think this would probably be a great brush. I'm actually definitely gonna use it. I'm like a glutton for punishment when it comes to this. Anytime I get free brushes. So yes, I know I pay like $10 for this thing, right? $10, but $8 of that already has been spent on this brush. And all the other samples, if you think about it, I'm sure it's gonna be great. Okay, so got that. Awesome Moda Pro brush. And I love the bag too. It's like a little velvet quilted bag. Very cute. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna dump the rest of it out and I'm gonna start picking stuff up because that is way easier than trying to get into this bag. Done with that. Next product is, let's just do this one because it makes sense. The pressed highlighter, K.Voss Fairy Dust, Evening Primrose Oil and Artichoke. Let's see what this is. K.Voss NYC Dust, Fairy Dust Press Highlighter in Moonlight. So, baby's cold outside, but don't let that dull your glow. Say hello to the silkiest highlighter ever. This powder blends into the skin like butter, while light reflecting pearly pink pigments that make your cheek, but wait. While blah blah blah. Okay. Blends into your skin like butter, while light reflecting pearly pink pigments that make your cheekbones and the high points of your face pop. Oh, and it'll never cake or crease either, promise. For a sheer glow, apply with fingers. For a shimmery metallic look, use a damp makeup sponge. Okay, so it doesn't even tell you to use a brush, which is interesting. Here's the thing. I mostly apply highlighters with a brush. So I'm actually going to try it with the new brush that I got that's meant for highlighters. We'll see how that goes. But first, oh, it has a little mirror in there. So this is what the color looks like. Very pretty. There we go. It does look pretty reflective. I am going to swatch it for you with my finger. Okay. All right, there you go. That is pretty. It is pearly pink, definitely pearly pink. I'm gonna wipe it off with my sponge here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that brush I just got and I'm gonna just pack it on there because I want to see really what this can do. And then let's see if it highlights my hand. Like I normally do, I'm gonna buff this in. Okay, yeah, this is definitely, there you go. You can see it does leave quite a sheen behind. I like it. I will very much probably use it. Do I have enough highlighter on? Do I want to just put it on right now? Let's go ahead. Ooh, girl. Let's put a little bit over here. Boom. Okay, this brush is soft, but you really do kind of need to use it like perpendicular to your face. if you hold it sideways and you go backwards, you just have to be really careful, because if not, the bristles, though they feel soft when you go this way, when you go back, it kind of catches the bristles. Still a great brush, and I like the actual handle of it too. It's kind of like this quilted and soft touch. I like it. Okay. Next is Lush Eyeshadow City Limits IBY Beauty. Maybe that's Ibby Beauty. I don't know. But I think this one is called Headliner. Let's check the resources. Let's see. Yeah, Headliner eyeshadow, good for you. Skin eyeshadow is a perfect way to show your lids some love. Velvety metallic raisin color, infused with rose hip seed oil to help nourish and protect your lids. Crease-free, long-wearing, vegan, and free of talc, mineral oil, and parabens. Okay. So let's see. Deluxe sample, the value of the full size is $20. But this is a pretty deluxe sample. There are a lot of brands that have smaller eyeshadows in this, if I can ever get it out of the container. I've gotten this brand before in my Ipsy. So here you go. That's the container. And here's the deluxe sample size. It is actually a good size. I love that color. I really, you can still see the highlighter in my hand, even though I wiped it off. All right. I switched hands. Way to go, me. All right. Let's see how this one swatches. Oh, that's pretty. I mean, it's brown. It's brown, but it has a good sheen to it. It is opaque. It's still stuck on my finger too. Let's see. Should have brought some makeup wipes in here. That's fine. We're playing, right? I'm allowed to play. All right, so tip for date night smoky eye, sweep shadow all over the lids, then smudge it along the lower lash line. I think that's pretty standard application. All right, so makeup, one last makeup product. It's the Sex Kitten by Tarte eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It's cute. Look at the little, oh my gosh, that's so funny. He has a little face. I don't know, he looks kind of like a grumpy cat to me. Maybe he's the grumpy cat, so you can use the liner and it takes away all your grumpy. All right, so it's got a very fine point, very angular. I'm going to go ahead and, ooh, very fine. It feels kind of wet, like more wet than some other felt tip liners do. And it dries down pretty quick. But it's a shiny finish. It's kind of shiny. I prefer a little bit more matte, because sometimes when you have a shiny finish liner, if it catches the light, you're taking a picture with your friends or your husband or your boyfriend or your partner of whatever kind, then it can look like there's a blank spot in your liner when it's shiny like that. For every day, that's fine, but it's not my preference. You might love it. This might be the perfect liner for you. And even though this, I believe, is a sample size, it's quite large. I mean, I think it is. Let's see what it says about it. Okay, date night, girls' night. This baby creates the liner look for every occasion. Ooh, every occasion. This fast-drying formula is smear-proof, budge-proof, and everything else proof up to 12 hours. The soft flex tip gives you a ton of control, making it easy to draw crisp lines, dramatic flicks, plus it's vegan and cruelty-free. Store your felt tip liner upside down to keep it from drying out. I do this with all of my felt tip liners, so the little cat's going to be upside down. But it's good because it's like a marker, right? So all of the product will kind of like flow, gravity, science, will flow toward the tip of it. So it's nice. Now it says it's everything proof. So let's see. Is it everything proof? It's not spit proof. Not that you're going to be spitting all over your eye. But honestly, I feel like it only took like 3 swipes. I don't know, but I guess that could still mean it's waterproof because you have enzymes in your saliva. But it still is pretty, I mean, it's pretty budge proof on its own. Now, having said that, let me try this one more time here. Okay, I made another little swatch. I don't have anything on this finger at all. So once this dries, I'm going to try and rub across it with just a regular finger with nothing on it. Nothing at all. In fact, you know what? Just to be safe, I'm going to use my pinky because I know for sure that it has nothing on it. All right, is it dry? Okay, it's dry. Now let's see what happens when I rub across it. Seems pretty budge proof to me. All right, approved. So it is pretty budge proof. Now, having said that, I rub across it and it does kind of look more metallic. It doesn't look quite as intensely black after I do that. So I don't know. It's kind of up to you on what you feel about that. Let's see. Last item is the Avette Water Flash Coconut Water Cream Hydration Boosting. It says, winter weather, cooler temps, and lack of humidity can make your skin feel as dry as a desert. But don't worry, this water cream is loaded with super hydrators like hyaluronic acid and coconut water for long-lasting moisture, and squalene, which creates an invisible barrier over your skin. Apply this while your face is still slightly damp after cleansing to really lock in moisture. So full size of this is $24 for 45 mils. It does not say how many mils this is. Here we go. 0.33 fluid ounces. Oh, 10 mils. So, math. 10, so like times 4.5. So let's divide that by like 4. So this would be like $6. This tiny little thing would be like $6. Let's see how hydrating it feels. Oh, hey, I love it. I love it when they come with a little seal on it, because you know nobody's been messing with your products. That good on you. All right, so let's put a little bit on the back of my hand here. Ooh, teeny tiny bit. That was probably 30 cents worth of product. Just kidding. All right, and I'm rubbing that into my hand. This water cream is going over this, and it's not really rubbing this off. So there you go. The water cream is good. Now, it does feel very moisturizing, very smooth on the skin. I really like that. I just don't know that I'll use it. I have skincare that I use and that I enjoy, and I use it every day, and it's wonderful. So I don't know if it's my thing. But let's see. Definitely smells like coconut. If you don't like coconut, you won't like this, but this is what the little container looks like. 10 mils. I like it though. I mean, maybe it's something I can like put in my purse or put in a travel bag or something like that, especially if I know I'm going to be traveling somewhere that's dry and cold, more cold than where I live, which there are a lot of places that are more cold than where I live. Anyway, so here we are, the products I got: brush, highlighter, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and coconut water. Hydration boosting water flash something, whatever. Okay, so it looks like this is a pretty good deal. Honestly, I am happy that I got the brush, the highlighter, the eyeliner, and the eyeshadow. I can create half a look with this. So I like that the highlighter I could use in conjunction with the eyeshadow. So I think it's definitely worth the $10 this month. Even just if I'd gotten the brush, I would have thought it was really worth the $10 this month. I enjoy opening these things with you guys. So please, please, please like this video if you want to see more stuff like Ipsy unboxings. Or I did purchase some things from Shop Miss A, I think it's what it's called. So I can go through what I got with that. Maybe try some of those products out, see what y'all think, and go from there. But like I said, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to see more of it, subscribe to the channel so that you can see when I have new content, and then also ring the notification bell, and then it'll let you know when that content is up. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for spending some time with me. Bye.